Hello traders, I'm back here with my best analysis and the best trade of the day. I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. Today is 22nd of February, Monday 2021. Today was the first trading day of the week. Overall market was consolidated, but we managed beautiful day. So let's dig into the system and let me share with you today's analysis. Just quickly recap guys, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis. And I analyze market twice a day just before London Open and the New York session, and all of my live analysis recording available in the training session and also broadcasted in the analysis section instantly. And once the analysis broadcast, we keep an eye if opportunities raised based on those analyses. We broadcast that information instantly through live audio commentary and through intraday analysis. All right, so based on the analysis, you can see my traders bank 81 pips. This is the breakdown. We had only few trades, but based on that, beautiful. All these trades are 100% based on the analysis, which we broadcast instantly for all the members alongside with the live update. All right, so let's dig into the first three pairs as we discussed the opportunities in last week. Let's see what happened based on the discussion we had it last week. Okay, let's dig into the 4-hour. As you know, the last week I mentioned if the price gonna stay above that, probably gonna see another pullback, and you can see the price nicely developed pullback and broken the previous high. So we had a beautiful long trade on EURUSD and bank beautiful pips. If you look at the price nicely hit to the daily resistance level. So tomorrow we are looking if the price gonna stay above the previous high, then probably going to be taking a pullback, and if the price break, then probably going to be taking a short trade. As I said to you guys, we are intraday traders. We look at the high time frame and then we analyze market in intraday. As you can see, this is our own proprietary software which basically help us. And if you look at here, as soon as the price respected here and we did another analysis, and we did say guys, this is another, you can see the bull flag pattern is developed and probably looking a long trade here, and that's what exactly we did in 4-hour. Let me share with you the analysis. You can see here, this is all the analysis related to the EURUSD. You can see the first analysis. Let me make it slightly bigger so you can see it. You can see we made this bull flag pattern, price continue, bull flag pattern, and we were expecting the safest trade. We were expecting a breakout long trade, and some of the traders tried to take a short trade, but they closed very early as soon as the price reversed. And that's why we broadcast that information instantly through live audio commentary. And you can see afterwards we had a beautiful breakout long trade, and that analysis was made at just before London Open 7:33, and then afterwards at the New York session. As we explained guys, the price has broken this bull flag pattern, so of course we were looking pullback. So you can see we had it after that, we had it another two beautiful pullback long trade on EURUSD. So you can see that we analyze market in a high time frame, define the market sentiment, and then we intraday analysis. You can see here beautiful long trade on EURUSD. So tomorrow we are looking if the price gonna stay above that possibility. Price might going to break this support resistance level. If the price going to respect, as I said to you, we're going to analyze market here in the time frame. Then we're going to take trade accordingly. So let's move on to the pound dollar. If you look at the 4-hour, and on Friday, as I mentioned you, that if the price gonna respect 140,000 area, then probably going to be taking a pullback long. If the price going to break, then we're taking a short trade. As you can see, the price nicely developed beautiful pullback after this candle. We had a beautiful long trade, even the price broke on this channel. And tomorrow we are looking, if you can see here, this is the high, previous high is broken, and if the price going to stay above that, probably we might going to see another pullback long trade here. Of course, we watch in 4-hour, but we make decisions in our intraday system, which is this momentum system, and that's help us to take the position. All right, so let's move to the pound analysis. All the pound analysis today. Okay, so this is the analysis. We had it and just before London Open, then probably price has broken, so we're looking at another pullback short, which price nicely developed very small pullback, which we announced, but later on we came out at the break even, and then afterwards, as soon as the price developed another pattern, as you can see, we broadcast another 9 o'clock, another triangle pattern breakout, because the most important thing what we explained to trader, if the price is going to break the recent high, then we should be taking a breakout, and if the price is going to respect, that's the good sign of continuity, and then probably going to be taking all pullbacks. And that's what exactly happened. You can see here another breakout, and this is the breakout. After the breakout, you can see the pullback, which is pretty straightforward. The price action trading after the breakout, previous high is broken, and afterwards beautiful pullback. Let me get the pointer and then I can explain to you guys. Sorry, I didn't have the pointer on. Okay, so you can see here price broken the previous high, and after the breakout, let me change the color yellow, so you can see here the price broken after the breakout, price retest. That's what I explained to traders, and then we had another pullback. So as long as the momentum is bullish, we basically jump on the all the long pullback, long trade, and bank beautiful pips. Then afterwards we had another analysis, and that's the New York session. As I said to you, we analyzed market London and New York session. This was the New York session analysis. Again, you can see 1400 GMT just before opening bell. We explained to trader, price develop another triangle pattern. And for the New York, so you can see here another beautiful breakout. After the breakout, we had another beautiful. So you can see here, we constantly update our analysis as soon as the price progress. We see if there's any pattern develop, we broadcast that information. And that's, you can see here, even in live analysis, we mention if the momentum is bullish, we should be taking a pullback long. So we had a beautiful long trades on pound dollar today. All right, so let's move on to the tomorrow. As I said to you, tomorrow we're probably seeing, as I mentioned you, in 4 hour, if the price gonna stay above the previous high, then probably gonna be taking a pullback longs here. The price is heading towards 41,000 level, so we'll let you know tomorrow. Okay, dollar CAD. If we look at the 4 hour chart, as you can see here, the price respected, and afterwards price nicely came back and hit this level and then reversed, and that's what we explained. We had a small false breakout, which we explained in intraday, and then we took a long trade, and afterwards later on we take a short trade here on dollar CAD. So what exactly we're looking here, you can see here price respecting the weekly support level, and then this is the daily support level. If the price gonna stay above that, and probably we're going to see another pullback long trade here, continuity, and if the price gonna break all this level, then we're gonna taking a pullback short here. So again, we basically look at what's the market situation here. Like example here, you can see when the price developed a bearish inside candle pattern, when the price was reversing it, then we took a short trade here. So let me share with you all this journey through intraday analysis. Okay, so dollar CAD, this is the all analysis. You can see only two analyses. We did this analysis just as soon as the market opened, around last night, just 22:38 GMT time, that we're looking at this breakout as soon as the price came back here and develop a false breakout, because that's what we explained to guys. The price nicely respecting it, the weekly support. So probably you can see here, we even mentioned through live analysis, also through live audio commentary. This is the false breakout, bank few pips, and afterwards, as you can see, price nicely respected, basically broken and respect after the breakout, nicely respected here, and that's the level. And if you look at the bottom, the momentum was developed bullish, and that's what we explained to traders. It's time to look for long. Safest trade would be if the price gonna break above the previous high. Some of the traders have taken long here because we communicate with our traders through live audio commentary, and some of them taken this breakout and bank beautiful as soon as the price hit to the 200 EMA, this level. So we bank beautiful pips, and afterwards when the price coming, hit the target, we were expecting a pullback here, but as I mentioned at the New York session, we did another analysis, and you can see the price develop another sort of consolidation. So we explained to traders, look for this breakout, this pattern, because we're watching in 4 hour. As you can see, the price nicely broken and afterwards retest. So we have 1 and 2 short trade. As soon as the price hit to the blue fib channel, that's what we're looking into it, and that's what we explained to traders. Time to bank some profit on dollar CAD. You can see here as an intraday, we take a long trade, bank some profit, and we explain all that information through live audio commentary, and that's what we communicate with all our traders. And you can see all that communication. If you join our platform, you can see all that communication happening. All right, guys, so let's see the dollar CAD again, and let me explain to you. If you look at here right now, the price is sort of like develop another pattern. You can see here downside channel pattern, and what I'm looking here, normally price trendy here and develop like bull flag pattern and then shoot up. So as I said to you guys, we only trade what we see it. So if we see if the price gonna break this channel, then probably gonna be short. If the price gonna break this one, then we're gonna be taking in more safer trade. When we trade against the momentum, this is what exactly we do it. And if the price break, and let me do this pointer, if the price gonna break and retest, give us the confirmation, then give us, and then we're probably gonna be taking a long trade here. And that's what exactly is give us the confirmation, then we're going to take a long trade. So we'll let you know tomorrow about this, and let's see a couple of more analysis today just quickly. Okay, so let's see today. Okay, let me read off this one. Okay, so you can see this was a pretty straightforward. Again, we mentioned that price developed another beautiful channel. So we're looking for breakout. Price nicely broken this morning. We had a beautiful breakout. After the breakout, beautiful long trade. Later on afternoon, today we were short on dollar yen. I think you will find another analysis. Let's see. Okay, pound Swiss franc, pretty straightforward breakout and pullback long trade. Euro yen, pretty straightforward breakout and pullback long trade. That was a beautiful trade. You can see this analysis we did at the market open. Beautiful triangle pattern breakout. Price nicely hit. Afterwards, we have seen price nicely reverse. A beautiful long trade on dollar Swiss franc, and this was the pretty straightforward goal. Breakout short trade, counter short trade. Dollar CAD, that's what the analysis I mentioned you guys. And pound dollar, very small short trade. Pound Swiss franc, afterwards we have this breakout, and the price developed another pattern at the New York session, at the London morning session. You can see here, and beautiful breakout. After breakout, another pullback long trade here. Pound yen breakout long trade here. Aussie dollar breakout long trade. Kiwi dollar breakout long trade. Euro USD breakout long trade. Euro yen breakout short trade. Pound yen, you can see after that price developed at the New York session, short trade. And dollar yen, pretty straightforward after the breakout, and that's what we explained to trader. This was the beautiful trade. You can see here as statistics traders, if the price gonna break and retest through live ID commentary, you can see here price broken and retest, and beautiful short trade on dollar yen. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward. You can see here beautiful breakout long trade, and again long trade. Euro USD long trade. Dollar CAD short trade. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoy all that analysis, and if you would like to see all that analysis in real time alongside with the live audio commentary support, even if you don't have forex trading experience, don't worry, we also provide full forex coaching and training through this live trading system. Or even if you are struggling, I'm pretty sure you can develop your trading skill effectively when you see all these things in real time. Or even if you are experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love to bank all that pips. So most welcome, guys. Join our fast growing trader community. You can also book free one-to-one consultation with me. My availability link is also given in the system, and if you would like to know how I trade with this system, there's a link also given in the video description. Feel free to watch, and thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.